Gastrointestinal dysbiosis, I think, is arguably the most common type of dysbiosis. And that's because we have so many different influences on the microbiome of the gastrointestinal tract, such as exercise, nutritional supplementation, diet, of course, stress, and because we appreciate the clinical manifestations of gastrointestinal dysbiosis because the gut microbiome has the potential to have the greatest impact on human physiology and pathophysiology by sheer volume of the microbial population and the resulting microbial debris, which we talked about in video number 1, and also the microbial metabolites, which I've discussed several times now throughout the program, perhaps mostly in video number 2. And we'll talk about those more, both the microbial debris and the microbial metabolites, in the last video of the series, which will be on the gut-brain connection. Course objectives are going to be described here. Of course, the ultimate goal is enhanced clinical and intellectual acumen. Your participation in this presentation and study of the materials should enable you to define dysbiosis, eubiosis, and the associated terminology in immunology, microbiology, and pathophysiology, explain the role of multifocal polydysbiosis in metabolic and inflammatory disease, analyze, interpret laboratory results for significance and or lack thereof. And what I'm aiming for there is the judicious analysis of laboratory tests, not just going for what appears to be most obvious. Identify actionable alterations in microbial patterns and the associated phenotypes of dysbiosis-induced disease. Demonstrate, of course, skill in clinical reasoning. Implement treatment plans consistent with the 4 main components of evidence-based medicine, which I've reviewed previously. And we also need to have the ability to reject distractor data, non-actionable data, or inaccurate and bogus data as well.